For this demonstration, we're going to walk through scheduling a new building and HVAC plan review. So you'll navigate to the eSLA customer portal, enter your login credentials. And from this point, we will select New Application, select Area of Plan Reviews. Program area will be Commercial Buildings. Permit type will be Commercial Building and HVAC. Application type is Plan Review. And from here you will select a business account. If you haven't created one, there's a link right here where you can create a new business account, which you will have to do before you're able to complete this portion of scheduling your building and HVAC plan review. I've already have one. So county, you'll select the county in which your project is located. For this, we'll say that it's located in Adams County in the township of Adams. Eligibility questions will be answered via these radio buttons. Is this a revision to a previously approved plan or resubmission for a denied plan? For this demonstration, we'll select no. Is this a submittal for a non-state owned building in the city of Milwaukee? For this, we will say no. If we were to answer yes, we would not be able to move forward with this scheduling process, as it would be ineligible for review by the department. Is this a submittal involving a hospital, nursing home, hospice, CBRF, or other uses under the jurisdiction of the Wisconsin Department of Health? Again, we'll select no. If we were to answer yes, it wouldn't allow us to move forward because that would be under the jurisdiction of DHS. So no. Application instructions. Some important terms and definitions are included here. So you'll want to read through those to become familiar with the terminology that we use. Click Save and Continue. If this submittal is related to another active project, you can enter either the DIS or CB number for that related project in this field. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will say that we do not have a related project, so we'll just hit Continue. And this allows you to enter in your business information, select your mailing and public addresses. For this one, I'm just going to click on these demonstration addresses. So we will say that my mailing address is 1900 Beezer Avenue. So select that checkbox. For the public address, I will say that it's the same address. And then we'll click Save and Continue. Is this submittal in response to orders addressing construction without conditionally approved plans? No, this is not. Is this a change of occupancy classification? No, this one is not. Was the design professional's last submission more than 2 years ago, or is the design professional from out of state? No, it is not. How many non-identical buildings are included with this submittal? One unique building type, so one non-identical building. I am not including a petition for variance with this submittal, so I'll select no here. I don't have any additional comments, so we'll enter NA. We'll hit save and continue. In this page, we will enter our affiliation information. This is where we'll enter owner, supervising professionals, designers. So for the purposes of this one, I'll just use some existing entities that I've used in previous tests. I will put down tester, eSLA tester as a design and supervising professional. I don't know why that says Florida. Save. You do have to provide an owner. We've provided the supervising professional and the designer. This time we will provide an owner. So we will say that Bob and Tom are the owner of this project. Save. From this point we can enter project and site information. This is not an existing site, so we'll say that it is a new site. I think that's Adams. We'll just do a heated storage building for this one. Adams storage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adams Way. This was County of Adams, Township of Adams. Click Save. Five 3910. Okay, and that was successful. From this point we can enter unique building details. You can see that there are no buildings associated with this project at this point. We will click Add New Building. Save and continue. Add a building. Again, there's no existing building, so I'll create a new building for this building. So Adams Storage 1. There's no previous tenant, so that's not applicable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adams Way is the address that we stated. Save that, and we'll save and continue. Type of submittal is a new construction plan subtype. This is where you would select if it's architectural review, following a footing foundation, if it's footing foundation only, structural framework. It's none of those, it's just a regular building and HVAC. So we'll click none of the below. I am not requesting a permission to start, so I'll select no there. Construction type for this building, we'll say it's type 5B. Major occupancy was going to be storage group S1. There are no other occupancy types. You have to click none there. Total building project area, we'll say it's 10,000 square feet. Number of floor levels is 1. Will the building exceed 25 or 50,000 cubic feet? And for this, we're going to select yes. And when we select yes, it's going to ask for supervising professional and designer credential information. So we'll enter in our designer credential number and the expiration date. Then this asks if we're going to include any component submittals with this building and HVAC submittal, and at this time I'm not going to, so I'm going to select none. This is not a qualified historic building, this is not a membrane building, and it is not state-owned, so I'll select no to each of those. Will this project be supplied with an automatic fire sprinkler system? At this time it will not, so I'll select none. In this field you can select what type of sprinkler system is going to be installed, and again in this case we'll select none. We will not be providing a fire alarm system for this. We will be providing HVAC. So the HVAC project area will match the building, so that's going to be 10,000 square feet. Number of conditioned floors will also match at 1. Okay, so our building data entry has been completed. So now we're going to schedule it so it will be, or we're going to submit it so it can be scheduled. So click submit. And there you can see that the building has been added. So from here we'll return to the plan review application, which it brings you back by default to the business information entry chevron, and we've already entered those. So I'm going to skip now to project and site, which is what we've just entered. And I'm going to select save and continue. Okay, so this will bring us to a location where we can add attachments. So there will be a signature page. I'll click that link. The signature page will need to be filled out and signed. And then once you get that signed, you can attach it right here by clicking this link. I'll say that it's a test supporting document. This is just a generic file that I have for the purposes of testing uploads. So once you add a document, it'll be listed in this location here. You can see that it's been added. So my signature page has been added. I'll add my plans at this point. So I'll click Add Attachment. Now you can see that this file browser shows a little differently than the previous one. This is actually going to take your file and put it into a Bluebeam Studio file location. And when you upload files into Bluebeam, you'll only be able to upload one file. So if you have multiple plan sets or multiple documents that need to go into the same location as your plans, those will have to be zipped into a file that can be uploaded as a single file into Bluebeam. So you select the file and click Upload, and you'll get this message that it has been uploaded successfully. You can close that, and you'll see that the file has been uploaded. Additional supporting documentation, if you've got building envelope calculations or checklists, worksheets, anything of that nature, you can add those in this additional supporting documentation tab, and again by the same process. Test supporting documents, click Upload. You can see that my upload has been successfully completed there. So I'll save and continue. Okay. And this, as the submitter, will require an attestation, which you can read through here. If you consent to electronic signature and accept the attestation, you select the I accept checkbox and then enter your name. You'll have to type your name as it appears in the text below. So enter your signature and then click Submit. And this will take you to a page where you can pay for your fees to get your plan review scheduled. So in this case, I want to pay for all of my fees. And this will show fees that I had in my cart from a previous test that I had submitted, and then also the fees in my cart for the current project, which is this Adams Storage 12345 Adams Way. So I want to select those fees, and I'll click Continue. And this will take you to a vendor that will process payments. You can pay either by ACH or credit card. Payment method for this, I'll say it's going to be a credit or debit card. Card number will be this. Click Continue. Verify your information, confirm, and you can see that the payment has processed. Click Continue, and it will bring you back into your eSLA customer portal, into your dashboard. Search. plan reviews, my new plan review applications. And this is where you can locate the DIS number for the project that you had just scheduled. So Adams Storage, 12345 Adams Way, this DIS number, you'll want to record that and use that for reference. This will exist until an approval action has been taken on this plan submittal, at which time a CB number will be issued. And that is all there is to scheduling and submitting a building and HVAC plan review.